You just gotta love Khelobedu. I mean, like, what is there not to love about Khelobedu? We make you laugh, love, respect. Bona, ukanyaka musadi, ukanyaka munna, go to Amjaji when although we're smart and she was struggling. Can I please speak to Leshongonono and like Leshongonono, like hello, Dimelang, Abusheni Minchane, Dimadekwana, whatever time it is, wherever you are, I welcome you here on my channel today. To the returning subscriber, today we are not talking about money or jobs. We are going to talk about Khelobedu. We are speaking Khelobedu today in the video, and the reason why I'm doing this video about name pronunciation is because I was on a phone call and this person wanted to pronounce my name Lekhokhonolo, as I know that many people struggle to pronounce the name, and she was struggling. Can I please speak to Leshongonono, and like Leshongonono, like Leshongonono, really? And as I was getting a bit offended, then the voice inside me was like, you cannot remember Khelobedu, and you guys Khelobedu can pronounce your name in a way that if we call you, you wouldn't even think we are calling you. So I thought, let me just do this video about a few names. I'm going to translate or pronounce all your names in Khelobedu, and I must say some of the names, how we say them, it's quite funny and some people might find it offensive. So if ever you find yourself in Khelobedu and you are being called in this name that sounds like yours, it's actually yours. So without wasting time, I have my phone here. I'm just going to go through these names. They are not that much, but yeah, because it's just name translation, we just gotta translate. Stay tuned, and maybe your name is going to pop up, and you're not going to be getting angry when you find people or already speaking people pronounce your name. Okay, let's get down to this, guys. It's actually funny. Being a Khelobedu person, I always got offended when people say there's this guy used to say Khelobedu ki joke ya mapedi, and I was like, what the like, how can you even say that? I would get offended and everything. But sometimes being a Khelobedu speaking person, how we pronounce your name, it's quite funny. They sound funny, especially if you are multilingual like myself. you just want to laugh. But we are who we are, so we're gonna start with Andrew. If you're Andrew in Khelobedu, we're gonna call you Enduru, Enduru, Andrew, Enduru, Andris, Andirisi, Aubrey, Oburi, Clement, Clement, or Clement. Okay, Daniel, Daniele, Dineo, Rineo, Rineo, so Dineo, no dips, no, Rineo, Dora, 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 Emily, Emily, Esther, Esther. When I was growing up, there was this girl called Esther back in at home. So my mom be like, "Come on, and then Francina, Gideon, Gideoni, Given, Given, ladies. Okay, ladies, you will be called Gladys. Gladys, you begin a Gladys, Gladys. And then Tlengiwe, Tengiwe. If you are Tolani, we're gonna call you Tolani, Tolani. And then Irene, hi, how's Irene? Irene. No, we're gonna be like Irene. It means Irene. We're gonna like Irene. Gonna Irene. Isaac, Isaga, Jacob, Jagobo. Jacob, Jagobo. we're just gonna call you Jacob. I think even Betty, you're gonna say it like Jacob. Well, in Khelobedu, you're gonna be Jacobo. Actually, I've got one of my close friends, her name is Khelobedu, but because I'm Khelobedu, I'll be like Kawelo, and then she'll be like, come Jo, asina Kawelo, kina Kawelo. I'll be like, hey, umdogwa. At the end of the day, we just saw Kawelo. And then Koketso, we're gonna call you Gogejo. Christian, we're gonna call you Christian. You know, note that Christian. So don't go around, you know, pursuing us, you know, correcting us. Don't pursue us, don't correct us. We know what we are saying. So as they say, there's no master of pronunciation. Pronunciation. So let's get down to it. And then there's Messi. You know, with Messi name, we call it in a way that you'll never think it's Messi. Most Messis, they're called Maridra. You know, Messi, in their IDs, they're called Maridra. So all the Messis that I know, they're called Maridra. And you can hear it's very different from you know, it's just way different, total different. So if you are Messi, you hear Maridra, just know they're calling you Varawena. Mulebucheng, Mulebueni. And then there is Naomi. If you are Naomi, we're gonna call you Naume. Ooh, you just gotta love Khelobedu. I mean, like, what is there not to love about Khelobedu? We make you laugh, even though we're not making jokes. You know, we love, we are full of respect. Bona ukhinyaka musadi, ukhinyaka munna, go to amjaji wena, although we ka smart arts, although we ka lepantsatsa kya ubucha. Anyway, let's get down to, and then there's Nonhlanhla. It's gonna be Nontanta. But anyway, Zulu people also, you know, pronounce our names however they feel it, you know, it makes sense to them. So Leborena Nontanta. And then there's Olga, Olega, Olega. And then there's Patrick. We're gonna call you Petriki. There's Petros. We're gonna call you Bidiros. Actually, I've got one of my favorite cousins. His name is Bidiros. You know, I was with him and he was pronouncing his name on the phone. I'm Petrus. At the back of my mind, I was like, when I Bidiros. Don't sugarcoat it or Bidiros. Okay, and then there's Precious. Hi, says Precious. In Khelobedu, you're gonna be Precious. Pretty, wena Puriti. And then there's Samuele, and then there's Sibasa. Hi Sibasa Kolobe, we're gonna call you Kibasa. Then there's Shadrach. We are calling you Shadrach. Then there's Sibongile Bestie. Hi. Kibongile. I should start calling my friend Kibongile. And then there's Simon. Simon Buena Simeon. Simon Robia Simeon. Then there's Simpiwe. Hamganyam. Hey Simpi, Sims. Kimpiwe. And then there's Sylvester. Most you won't even hear that it is you because they're gonna be calling you Siliva. Sylvester, Siliva. But my people kidi legend, we are legends. And then there's Thelma. And then there's Chofajo. And then there's Victor. Vikitra. and then there is Walter, Walisha. So guys, Balobedu ki the legend Walisha, and then William, Balobedu do William. So those are the names that I just, I was just going through my phone book, and I thought, let me just do this, because sometimes people get really offended if you don't pronounce their name, as they pronounce it, and you'll be going forth and back with a person like, no, I'm Leshonolo, and then they'll be saying Leshongonono, they'll be saying Lekonono. You just need Nukugonono, Leshongonono, like Leshongonono, like really people Leshongonono. But after I realized that as Balobedu people, we also we also don't do justice to people's names. I thought, what, let me just put it out there in case tomorrow you get a Lobedu speaking person, saying your name brutally. So don't get offended. We know what we are saying, and we are calling your name. We know that we are calling your name, and we're not gonna change it. You are Siliva, Sylvester, buena Siliva, Maggie, buena Maggie, Bona. I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and yes, see you on my next upload. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and go watch other videos on Khelobedu if you are interested in Khelobedu. If you are interested in money, there's also content on that, careers and business development. That's what we are doing here most of the time, but yes, still having fun and teaching Khelobedu at the same time. Thank you, and bye bye.